Hey, what's up guys, this is my tutorial themes channel and I will be doing a very quick review and unboxing of the Lenovo Y580. As you can see, the box is over here, but this is not an actual unboxing because I've been using the laptop for a couple of days. This is just a video to show you that what you would get with your laptop. Okay, there it is. Some hardware specification. There it is, some papers from the factory, we don't need that. The power cable. By the way, it was inside a plastic bag when I got it. Just like this. The charger, pretty nice and standard charger. And there it is. The notebook itself. By the way, they're supposed to be the battery when you get the laptop. I got it inside the laptop already, so don't worry about that. Where I was pointing my finger. Let's take it out. This is a full HD notebook. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm not sure if you can see it that well on the camera, but this is absolutely gorgeous. Amazing color. And this is all aluminum, not plastic. Let's open it up. It just came out so fast. Okay, before I turn on before actually we start the review, let me show you that what you get with the notebook. There is your cooling fan, VGA, internet, HDMI, 2 USB ports, and that is the touchpad. The keyboard is extremely built well. It's a full keyboard. The speakers are extremely loud for a laptop, and they have an amazing sound quality. That's where you get your headphone, microphone, USB port, and the DVD writer, and one more USB port plus the power. The keyboard is backlight as well, but you can turn it on like that, turn it off, but you can't actually see it. It's an amazing multimedia or gaming laptop. Okay, this is Intel Core i7-3630QM CPU quad-core 2.4 GHz with turbo boost. It goes up to 3.4 GHz, which is extremely fast for a laptop. I mean, it could be a replacement for your desktop. This is an excellent processor, which comes with the Intel HD 4000 graphics. This version comes with 4 GB of RAM. You can upgrade it with up to actually 16 GB, and that would be extremely fast, and I will be upgrading it up to 8 GB. I don't do that much video editing, so I don't need 16 GB. 64-bit operating system, of course, and Windows Home Basic. Okay, there we are. This version which I got, which comes with the 500 gigabytes of HDD. In some countries you may get some gigabytes of SSD as well, while you get 1 terabyte of HDD. I didn't need 1 terabyte of HDD, so I got the 500 gigabytes version. It comes with an excellent graphic card. According to notebookcheck.com, it's a first-class graphic card. It's an absolute gaming graphic card, which is GTX Nvidia GTX 660M 2GB DDR5, which is extremely awesome for a laptop. I mean, this laptop is comparable to Alienware M17X or Alienware M14 something, I guess. It's as powerful as they are, and it could be even more powerful comparing to some versions of the Alienware or the Asus G55 or Asus G75. I mean, this laptop is as powerful as they are, and it's only about $880. I mean, this price is amazing for a full HD laptop, 1080p. The screen is absolutely bright. The colors are the colors are really live. I mean, it would be an amazing experience to watch HD movies or playing games on this. I tried Battlefield 3 over there where I'm pointing my mouse, and Battlefield 3, Fear 3, Call of Duty Black Ops 2, which has been just released, plus the GTA 4, Left 4 Dead 2, and the Medal of Honor Warfighter, and of course the Call of Duty Modern Warfare 3, which is my favorite. I tried them all on the 1080p resolution plus all settings set to ultra, and it worked extremely fast. I mean, there is no lag with this graphic card, the GTX 660M. Well, that's pretty much about it. If you're a gamer, you would absolutely get this one because it's only about $880. I mean, those laptops that I mentioned a couple of minutes ago, I mean the Alienware and the Asus G55 are about $1,600, which doesn't worth the money. But if you got the money, so don't worry, just buy it. I mean, they have the same hardware specification as this. With some version it comes actually with the Blu-ray drive and the normal DVD drive. So I got the normal DVD drive one. I didn't need Blu-ray, so that's just fine. Well, if you're a video editor, this is an excellent laptop for you to get, and if you also do business and stuff, it could be extremely nice for your everyday use as well. Well, that's pretty much about it. I hope you enjoyed the video. Feel free to comment or rate the video or subscribe if you wanted to my tutorial films channel. Thanks.